Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to download offline maps on Google Maps. To get started, open Google Maps on your device. To download maps for offline use, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the list of options, select Offline Maps. Next, tap on Select Your Own Map. This will allow you to choose the area you want to download. You can zoom in or out to adjust the size of the area. Keep in mind that the larger the area, the more storage space it will take up on your phone. For example, downloading a larger area might take up 500 megabytes, while a smaller area might only take up 30 megabytes. Once you've selected the area, tap Download in the bottom right corner. While it's downloading, you can name the map by tapping on the pen icon in the top right. Once the download is complete, you'll see a notification at the bottom of the screen. Now, when you're offline, you can access the downloaded map. You can update it later by tapping the three dots next to the map and selecting Update. You can also rename or delete the map if needed. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.